So folks, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to whomever is watching at different time period. I literally welcome you all to this end of video session. We'll be having a clear discussion about what is package infection. Linux and Windows systems were discovered by the PyPI respiratory and one of the 116 malicious packages, okay, which started infecting the Linux and Windows systems. So we'll be having a clear discussion on that probably, and we'll have a understanding about what is PyPI respiratory. Along with that, we will have some session and remediation task as well. Whenever when we comes across this kind of infecting discoveries, sudden discoveries of any malicious packages or codes. So I hope this video session is very long. I assume that you will definitely get with me till the end. So if you are new to this channel, please do a subscription and like share the channel as soon as possible for getting any latest update regarding any cyber affairs. So let us discuss about what is PyPI respiratory and how actually it works. So when we discuss about in a very common language, if I say, so the Python package index, or we can even say PyPI, is a respiratory of software package, okay, that is basically been developed and even been maintained by the Python community. Okay, so basically it serves as a center hub, or we can say central hub or main hub, okay, for distributing Python software, and also allows the developer to easily share their libraries and applications with others. Okay, so here are the some of the key points which basically make you understand regarding how actually the distribution of packages is been, and how actually the developers allows themselves to develop any kind of software. Okay, so first is Python distribution. So basically what happens here is that developer basically uses PyPI to distribute their Python packages, and which eventually making it easy for others to install and use their software. Okay, the most common tool here is that to install the Python packages is PIP. Okay, so where which basically retrieves the package from PyPI. Okay, so package metadata. What is package metadata? When we discuss about package metadata, right, so each packages okay on PyPI is accomplished by metadata, okay, that basically provides an information about the package. Okay, we can say its version, its dependency, author, license, description, those all stuffs is been maintained in the package metadata. Okay, then after we when we discuss about the metadata, which basically helps the user and also the tools to understand the purpose and requirements of a set of package. Okay, so then after package indexing, what is package indexing? PyPI basically maintains an index, okay, of all the available packages. Okay, then it eventually making it more easier and convenient for the developers and users to research for and discover new set of libraries and also tools. Okay, here what actually happened is that the PyPI websites, okay, even we can say the .org is a user friendly interface for surfing and also for browsing and also for searching the package index. Then after package visioning, what is package versioning? So PyPI basically supports versioning of packages at which basically allowing the developers to release an update and starts improvising or improvements to their software over a period of time. Okay, so version numbers basically adheres to the symmetric, okay, visioning, like we can say sim standard, and that basically helps to user to understand the nature of the concepts. Okay, uploading the package. When we discuss about uploading the package, folks, developers can use the twin tool to upload their package to PIP, and the process which basically involves in creating a distribution package, example I can say a source distribution on a wheel, and uploading it to the PYP and uses a secure protocol. Dependency management. One of the key main concepts of PyPI respiratory. So when a user starts installing a package, right, using PIP, it automatically resolves and reinstall and install the dependency from PyPI, and the requirement.exe file is commonly used to list project dependency, and eventually making it easy for others to recreate the we can say development environment. Okay, mirror and caching. What is mirror and caching? PyPI is a mirrored globally to improve the development and download the accurate speed for for the users around the world. And when we discuss about the tools like DVPI and Bandar Sketch, and it starts allowing to different organizations to set up their private PyPI mirrors for improved control and eventually the security postures. Then after security, PyPI basically takes the security seriously and has implemented measures to scan the packages for security vulnerabilities, and it also uses for encouraging to the verified authorities or authenticity for the packages, and eventually making it cryptographic signatures. Community and collaborations, what actually it is. So PyPI is a community driven platform and a collaboration that is basically been encouraged through an open source contributions. Okay, the where the developers can report the issues, contribute to projects, and eventually participate in discussion related to PyPI and its basic ecosystems. Okay, the cybersecurity researcher has identified a set of 116 malicious packages on the Python package index, which I have discussed about in details what actually it is. So in some cases, the final payload is a variant of infamous W4 SP stealer for a simple clipboard monitor to eventually steal a cryptocurrency on both the ESET research Mac instant and as per the new report published earlier in this week. So basically here what actually happens is that the packages are estimated to have been downloaded over 10,000 times since May 2023. The threat actor behind the activity have been observed, okay, using three techniques to blunder malicious code into Python package, namely via test.py script and also embedding the PowerShell in setup.py file, it eventually encrypting it to in abstract form in the init.py file, irrespective of the methods that is basically been used. The end goal of the campaign is to compromise the target host with a set of malware that is primarily a backdoor capable of remote command execution, data exfiltration, and also eventually taking a screenshot. Okay, the backdoor module is implemented in Python for Windows and in Go for Linux. Alternatively, the attack chain also accumulate in the development of W4 SP stealer, or even we can even say the Clipper malware designed to keep it more closer to the tabs on a victim's clipboard that is being actively been monitored, and the swapping of the original wallet addressing. Okay, so in the present with the attacker's control. Okay, the development in this in the latest wave of compromised Python package attackers basically have released the poison. Okay, the open source ecosystem and the distribution to a medley of the malware for supply chain attacks. Okay, it's also the newest addition to the steady stream of bogus PYFY packages that have been acted as a stealthy channel for distributing stealer malware. In May 2023, as ESET relevant another cluster of libraries that basically been designed or engineered to propagate solidity stealer that basically borrows its features from W4SP stealers. Okay, so what happened here is that in the last month, okay, malicious packages masquerading as seemingly innocuous obstruction tool were eventually been found to develop a stealer malware, okay, code named Blast Tilder. Okay, that the Python developers should thoroughly vent the code they basically downloaded, especially checking for these techniques before installing it on their systems. Okay, the research capture question quotient. Okay, the disclose also allows or follows a set of discovery on npm packages, and that were eventually been found in targeting an unnamed financial institution as a part of advanced advisory stimulation exercise. And the name of the model which been contained an encrypted blob have been withheld to protect the identity of those organizations. Okay, the encrypted payload does basically contain embedded binary that delivering the exfiltrated use of credential to the Microsoft Teams, that's or webhook that is internal to the target company or in a question software supply chain. Security frames has been disclosed last week about this. So what sort of recommendation we can follow for this is that make sure to do use of advanced anti-phishing solutions like ADR block. Then after we can investigate and configure set of remediation tasks and baseline all auspicious and anomaly activities. Then always encourage to user to use web browser that basically been supports Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Block executable files from running unless, and block the execution of potential obstacle script. So those all set of remediation tasks which we can eventually take with this. So this is all about the 116 malicious packages. Okay, about that, and I hope this session is very informative folks, and let me end the video for you. I hope you have enjoyed the session.